Listen up, kids. Easter is this Sunday.
Yay! What are we gonna do?
We will dye white eggs and have an egg hunt.
And eat chocolate bunnies.
Yes! And Mom will make a big family dinner.
But first, we need to go grocery shopping tomorrow. I am writing down all the things we need to buy.
Can I help you push the cart?
Of course. We need your help.
Did someone say dinner? Count me in. All right, let's go to bed early tonight.
Wow. It is extremely crowded today.
Yes, everyone is shopping for the Easter weekend. Let's split up so we can finish faster.
Good idea. What are you gonna buy?
Rose and I will go to the deli corner. I need to order some ham for our dinner.
Okay. Henry and I will get the white eggs.
And the chocolate bunny.
Yes, we won't forget the chocolate.
Perfect. Let's meet at the checkout in 30 minutes.
Let's go buy the ham, Mom.
Follow me, sweetie. Here we are, the deli counter.
Wow! Look at all the big meat, Mom.
Yes, they have turkey, beef, and cheese here. But we are looking for the honey-baked ham.
How do we buy it?
We have to ask the staff to slice it for us. It can be a little nervous to order at the counter. But I just need to be brave and speak clearly. Let's step up to the line. Excuse me? Are you available? Yes, ma'am. Who is next in line? Hello. Excuse me. I need some ham. Sure thing. Are you making an Easter dinner? Yes, we are. Excellent. Do you want it sliced or thick cut? Sliced thin, please, for sandwiches and cooking. No problem. How much would you like? About 15 slices, please. Is that enough for 4 people? Yes, that should be about half a pound. Perfect for 4.
I love ham. It is yummy.
Here you go. Anything else today? No, that is all. Thank you very much. You are welcome. Have a great day.
All right, Henry. We are in the dairy section.
I don't see any white eggs, Dad.
Oh no. The regular eggs are completely sold out.
But we need them to paint.
There are only brown eggs left. They won't work for colors.
Don't worry. I will ask a staff member. Excuse me. Could you tell me where the white eggs are?
For the holiday, we moved all the white eggs to the seasonal aisle. I see. Where is the seasonal aisle? It is aisle 4. Just go straight, then turn right. Straight, then turn right. Thank you.
Let's go find aisle 4.
Look, Henry. This is aisle 4.
Wow, it is so big and long.
Yes, it is. But I still can't find the white eggs. There are too many things here. Let's ask again. Excuse me, sorry to bother you.
No problem. What can I help you find?
I am looking for the white eggs and chocolate bunnies.
They are halfway down this aisle on your left side.
Halfway down, on the left. Got it?
Yes, the eggs are in the cooler, next to the jelly beans.
That is very helpful. Thank you so much.
You are welcome. Happy Easter!
Dad, look! On the left side.
The employee was right. Here they are. Let's grab 2 cartons of white eggs first.
Can I pick the chocolate bunny now?
Yes, we need 1 large chocolate bunny.
I want this one. He looks cool.
That is a perfect choice. Put it in the cart. We have everything on the list now. Great job, little helper. Let's go meet Mom and Rose at the checkout.
Let's go, let's go. I want to show Mom the bunny.
I smell something. A hidden treasure. It is under the sofa.
Almost got it. Just a little more. It's my very own Easter egg.
What is this? Thank you for finding my snack popcorn. Hey! That is mine! That is not fair! I am telling Mom!
You are too slow, my friend. Life in the wild is tough. Happy Easter.
Hey! Over here, William!
Perfect timing. Did you get the ham?
Yes, I did. I asked for 15 thin slices at the deli. It was very easy to order.
Look, Mom. We got a big chocolate bunny.
That looks delicious. Did you find the white eggs?
Yes, but we had to ask 2 different employees for help. The supermarket is so big, we needed exact directions.
I am glad you asked for help.
We did it as a team.
Let's put everything on the belt. It is our turn now.
Hello. How are you doing today?
Hey, we are doing great, thank you.
Did you find everything you were looking for? Yes, we did. Your staff was very helpful today. I am very glad to hear that. Do you have a store loyalty card?
Yes. Can I just type in my phone number?
Of course. Go right ahead on the pin pad.
Can I type the numbers, Mom?
Sure, Henry. Here is the number.
Done! I pushed the green button.
Oh, would you like to buy any shopping bags today?
No, thank you. I brought my own reusable bags.
Perfect. Your total comes to $85. How would you like to pay? Cash or card?
I will pay by credit card.
Great. You can insert or tap your card on the machine.
Okay, it says approved.
Would you like your receipt in the bag or with you? In the bag, please. Thank you.
Mom, can we eat the chocolate in the car?
No, Rose, we have to wait until Sunday.
Let's go home. I am so hungry right now.
Let's go make some lunch, team.
What a busy day. We finally finished our grocery shopping.
Large supermarkets can be very confusing sometimes.
It is super easy to get lost or not find things.
But remember, if you can't find something, just ask someone.
The store workers are very nice.
Don't be afraid to speak up and ask for help.
What is your favorite thing to buy?
My favorite thing to buy is fish, obviously.
If this video helped you, please give us a like.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Happy Easter! See you next time! Subscribe to Dr. Purr
And popcorn!
for more stories. See you next time. Bye!